Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about the minimum balance for a bask bank savings account. But before we get into the details, let's take a moment to think about why this information is important. Think about it. How often do you check your bank account? Do you ever worry about having enough money to cover your expenses? If so, then understanding the minimum balance for your savings account can be a valuable tool for managing your finances. So, what is the minimum balance for a bask bank savings account? The good news is that there is no minimum balance requirement. This means that you can open a bask bank savings account with as little money as you want. However, it's important to note that there are some other factors to consider when choosing a savings account. For example, you'll want to look at the interest rate that the bank offers. Higher interest rates mean that your money will grow faster. You'll also want to consider the fees that the bank charges. Some banks charge monthly fees or transaction fees. It's important to find a bank that doesn't charge any fees that you can't afford. Now that we know the basics, let's take a closer look at the different types of savings accounts that Bask Bank offers. Bask Bank offers two types of savings accounts, the Bask Interest Savings Account and the Bask Mileage Savings Account. The Bask Interest Savings Account is a traditional savings account that pays you interest on your money. The current interest rate is 4.65% APY. The Bask Mileage Savings Account is a unique savings account that allows you to earn American Airlines AAdvantage miles. For every $1 that you save in your Bask Mileage Savings Account, you'll earn 2 American Airlines AAdvantage miles. So, which type of savings account is right for you? That depends on your individual needs and goals. If you're looking for a high-yield savings account, then the Bask Interest Savings Account is a good option. If you're a frequent flyer, then the Bask Mileage Savings Account may be a better choice. No matter which type of savings account you choose, you can be confident that you're getting a great deal with Bask Bank. They offer competitive interest rates, no minimum balance requirements, and no monthly fees. In addition to their savings accounts, Bask Bank also offers a number of other financial products, such as certificates of deposit, CDs, and checking accounts. So, if you're looking for a bank that offers a wide range of products and services, then Bask Bank is a great option. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And with that, I'd like to thank you for watching. I hope you'll join me again next time. Remember, this is just a script, and you may need to add or remove information depending on your own preferences and the specific details of the Bask Bank savings account.